Have you heard people talking about the PTE academic test and kind of wondered what all the buzz is about? Well, if you're looking for a totally modern way to prove your English skills, whether it's for a new job or for your studies, you have come to the right place. We're going to break it all down for you.
So let's get real. You need to prove you can handle English, right? Maybe it's for that dream university, a big career move, or even a visa application. That's a huge deal. And honestly, with all the different tests out there, trying to pick the right one can feel like you're lost in a maze.
And that's exactly where PTE Academic comes in. Think of it as the modern solution to this whole English proficiency puzzle. It's one single, super streamlined test that's actually built for the way we communicate in the real world.
So what is it that makes PTE Academic so different? Let's zoom out for a second and take a look at the big picture and really see what makes this test tick.
First off, let's talk about time, because this is a total game changer. The entire PTE academic test is just 2 hours long. Yep, you heard that right. No more blocking out entire days or sitting through these marathon draining sessions. Just 2 hours.
And it's all done in one shot, right there on a computer. You walk into the test center, you sit down, and a couple hours later, boom, you're done. The whole thing is designed to be as efficient and painless as possible.
But don't let that short time frame fool you into thinking it's simple. Oh no. In those 2 hours, you're going to tackle over 20 different kinds of questions. This is not some repetitive, boring exam. It's dynamic, and it's designed to see how you use English in all sorts of different real-world situations.
But you know, the thing that makes PTE truly unique is its integrated approach to testing your skills. Now, let's break down what that actually means, because it's pretty important.
Think about the tests you might already know. They usually chop everything up, right? You've got your reading section here, your writing section over there, maybe a speaking test on a completely different day. PTE Academic throws that whole idea out the window. It blends everything together. So you might listen to a short university lecture and then have to write a quick summary. Or you might read a paragraph and then have to explain it out loud. The whole point is, this is how we actually use language in real life, all our skills firing at once.
And this quote really just nails it. It's not just about what you know, but how you use it all together. See, PTE is testing your ability to actually communicate, not just your ability to remember a bunch of grammar rules in a vacuum.
Okay, so you've taken the test, now what happens? How do they even score this thing? I know it can look a little confusing at first glance, so let's try to make it super simple.
Your main score, the big one, is a number on a scale from 10 to 90. It's a really clear, quick snapshot that lets universities and employers see your overall English level at a glance.
But your score report goes way deeper than that, and this is where it gets really helpful. It's broken down into two main areas. First, you've got your communicative skills. That's the what. This is the stuff we all know: listening, reading, speaking, and writing. But then, and this is the cool part, you also get scores for your enabling skills. That's the how. This measures things like your grammar, how fluently you speak, and your pronunciation. It gives you this incredibly detailed picture of your strengths and exactly what you need to work on. All right, so you get what the test is, you get how it's scored. Now for the million-dollar question, how on earth do you even start preparing for it? Let's map out the very first steps you should take on your prep journey.
Here's a simple 3-step game plan to get you started on the right track. Number 1, take an official practice test from Pearson. This is crucial for getting a baseline score. Number 2, start doing some scored mock tests from different platforms. This will really help you get a feel for the timing and how the AI scoring works. And number 3, start getting comfortable with the common academic topics that always pop up on the test.
And speaking of topics, don't let the word academic scare you. The content on PTE Academic is pulled from real college and university settings. You'll see things from the humanities, the natural sciences, and the social sciences. The key thing to remember is you don't need to be an expert in any of this stuff. Just getting familiar with the kinds of vocabulary and the style of these subjects will give you a massive leg up.
Now here's the best part. You are definitely not alone on this journey. There's a huge online toolkit out there just waiting to help you. You've got the official practice stuff straight from Pearson, tons of scored mock tests from sites like Gurley or AP Uni, and amazing video guides from channels like E2 Language. Seriously, whatever your learning style is, there's a resource out there for you.
So there you have it. We've covered the what, the why, and the how of PTE Academic. You basically got the roadmap, and you know where you're headed. The only real question left is, what's your next move?